back with another hair video, hence is why I'm wearing a wig cap, and I always look crazy at the beginning of these, but I'm basically going to be going through how to customize a wig that you just get straight out of the box. So I got this wig from Perfect Lace Wig, as you guys can see over here. This is their packaging. It looks really, really cute. I love the red and the black together. It's got all of their social media here, and let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. All right, so what we have here is an ombre wig. The color on this wig is 1B/30, so I'm guessing it's more of like a light brown color. I love the ombre that's going on here. Also, this is a lace front wig, and it does have combs on the inside of the wig cap. Also, what I love about this is that they do have extra combs inside the packaging, which is really nice. Comes with a nice elastic band, which I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and sew that on really quickly. And it also comes with a couple of wig caps, which I use these black ones to put underneath my light brown one, just because it helps to keep the hair really secure, the braids really tight, and just like, you know, flat in the back, all that good stuff. We're gonna do that as well as curl the wig, do the baby hair. So I'm basically gonna customize the wig, and then we're gonna go through all the specs as usual for this tutorial. All right, so right off the bat, the fit is really nice. I love this color so much. So I will see you guys after for the hair review. So they have a little info list on the description of the wig inside of the box, and here is how the wig is looking. It looks really pretty, and also I'm going to show you guys how to cut the lace of this wig. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you haven't done it before, here's a little bit of a look of how I do it. I don't really go in a straight line, I just kind of go in like a zigzag type of motion, and then it's pretty much done. Now we're going to go ahead and sew the elastic band onto this unit, just so that everything stays flat and secure, and it's a pretty easy process. I just go ahead and I sew on the elastic band wherever the sideburns are going to be, and I just make sure that I have enough room to where it's not going to hurt my head as I'm wearing it throughout the day. You can go ahead and adjust it as you go on. I've had to start over again, and it's completely fine. You just have to find the right adjustment that you want to for your head shape, and yeah. Now that everything is sewn together, it's time to start customizing the frontal. Alright, so I just went ahead and I cut the lace and I put in the elastic band. So now we're just going to kind of use the curling iron, style the hair, also to make sure to make some baby hairs in this wig. Alright, this is looking very wiggish right now. So in this portion of the video, I just started plucking the hair a little bit so that it wouldn't look so wiggish in the front, and I'm also going to be cutting the baby hairs as well. Now I always start kind of heavy with the baby hairs, but then I usually go in and I take some out, so I just kind of play with it until I get it the way I want it to look. Now I'm just going in on the top with the curling iron just to flatten everything out. It still kind of looks a little bit wiggish in the front, or a lot bit, but I do go in and I pluck some more hair there, and now we're going to go ahead and curl everything and style it. But before that, I had to make my part and also pluck some because it didn't really have much of a parting space, and there's 2.5 inches here that I kind of just had to go in and make it just a little bit bigger. And after I did that, then I would have to go ahead and use some concealer over the part. And the rest of the styling is easy. I'm just going to go in with my curling iron and style the hair. Okay you guys, so I styled the hair, I went ahead and I curled it. The curls look extremely beautiful. I love the color of this hair. 1B/number 30 as I said before. I'll give you guys the specs on this wig. Okay, so the hair length is 20 inches. It is curled right now, so it looks like it's around 18, but it's a true 20. It goes a lot longer as you can see. It looks extremely beautiful and amazing. I also went ahead and I flattened the top of it as much as I could, and it looks pretty natural in my opinion. I love the curls. Extremely impressed by this, honestly. I really am. Yeah, it's really, really cute. I still have to go in and pluck some more. It is a little bit thicker in the front part of the hair, but it's nothing that looks bad or anything. This hair also holds a curl. It's really shiny. I didn't put any product in this hair whenever I went ahead and curled it. So as you can see, it holds curls extremely well. Alright, so for the cap size, I did get a size medium. I usually get an average cap size. Again, you don't want to go too big or too small for your head. It just depends on your experience and like what you've gotten in the past. The lace color, they say that it's a light brown color. I still had to go in there and do that. But other than that, I think it's pretty okay. It's pretty fine. If you want to go ahead and bleach the knots yourself, you are totally welcome to do that. It's not a really hard thing to do. All you have to really get is one of those packets from Sally's. Just go there and get a little bleach packet, as well as like a small, tiny, like 20 volume developer, and then place it on the knots. I'll go ahead and show you guys in another video how I do that. As y'all could see, I did put an elastic band in the back, so this wig fits very secure on my head. It's not going to move. It's really in a good place. The cool thing was that I didn't have to like glue anything down for it to look natural. It's just very secure on the perimeter of my head. I just love the whole finger combed look, and there's really not much shedding at all. Again, this is a straight wig. I usually don't have any issues with straight hair wigs from companies as far as shedding goes. Now, of course, that's not always going to be the case, but with this one, I thought it was completely fine. So the hair density for this wig is 180%. It's very, very thick hair, especially towards the middle portion of the hair. It's not really thin at the bottom either, which is great. It's honestly just pretty good all the way through. They did put small layers in the hair, but it's like not too much to where the hair is thin or anything. It would be nice to have like a nice like wine color. Alright, so also the hair does have a free part. I personally went ahead and just chose a side part for this unit. You are able to choose which part you want. You could choose the middle part, you could choose the side part if you want. All that stuff, they can customize that for you. What I love about this hair company is that they do also give an elastic band as well as extra combs to make everything more secure. If you guys want to purchase this exact same wig with 20 inches, it's going to be $237 even. If you want to go under $100, then again, you might have to go for a shorter hair length, which is completely fine. It would look good even if it was really short. I think all that I really have to say about this wig, I showed you guys how to customize this one in particular. I hope that you guys liked the video. Thank you to Perfect Lace Wigs for sending me this awesome unit. I haven't received a color like this before, and they personally picked it out for me, so I really appreciate it. And yeah, go ahead and check out the website. I'm gonna put their link down below to this unit and you guys can go ahead and check it out. And yeah, that's it for this video. I will talk to you guys later. Remember, if you do like my videos, go ahead and subscribe. And remember to click the notification bell down below if you want to see all of my updates. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye. You don't know what you need.